Hey everyone, let's learn today champagne glasses, lampshade or electronic tea light candle holder. So let's start. First we will take two plastic glasses of champagne. After that we will cut these plastic glasses from hot knife. We will keep separate all these three parts. We will take white glitter. Take out some glitter in one bowl. Now we will apply hot glue on the down part of stem. After that we will stick white glitter on that glue. After applying glitter it will look something like this. Now we will take other part of glass and will apply hot glue. And same we will stick white glitter on that hot glue. Now you can see how we applied white glitter on that glass. After that I took diamond wrap. It's like a shiny stone lace kind of. Now I stick diamond wrap like this on the upper part of the glass. After that I took these stand of the glass. We will stick some stones on that stand part. I stick these diamond shaped glasses on that stand. Now we will need some colorful beads. Fill some colorful beads in the down part of the glass. Now I applied some hot glue on that glitter part. Now we will stick all part of the glass from hot glue. We will need some decorative items to decorate the glass. I sticked these things on that glass from hot glue. Now we will need some flowers. Now apply some hot glue and fix this flower on the beads so that those beads will not come out from the glass when we will hold it. Now our beautiful champagne glass or candle holder is ready. You can see how beautiful it's looking from inside and outside. I created these two glasses in two colors. One is silver and one is golden. You will see how I decorated the golden one. Now you can see how I decorated other glass from golden lace. It looks more beautiful. If you like this unique creative idea, so please make sure to subscribe my channel and give thumbs up to this video. I use my own creative ideas, so please make sure to subscribe my channel to learn more and more unique crafts. Thank you for watching. See you next time with more beautiful ideas. And don't forget to leave comments in the section below.